Okay, Steve again from the Car Key Man. Today we have a Jeep key. This Jeep key is from a 2015 Renegade and it's got 4 buttons and it's actually a fit. The blade here is all the same as a Fiat. Looks like a Fiat key, but it is a Jeep, and so we're going to show you how to change the key battery. So the battery is buried underneath here where it says Jeep, okay, and this here is a cover that comes off. You can't really tell by looking at it, but all this cover comes off. Okay, and so to get this cover off, we've found the best way to do this is if you pull the cover off, that moves a little bit, and there's a space in here. So there's the key, and this bit here, there's a space they've left, and I'm assuming that is to get a screwdriver in. Okay, if you just gently pop it in there, you see how easy this comes off, and you can just lift off that cover and then pop it off. There's the gap there that we used, and a screwdriver fits in there quite nicely, so we're assuming that's what it's for. Okay, so there's your battery, easy to get to. This is a 2032 and you can see the writing. So to get the battery out, just pop a screwdriver down on this side. There's a little gap just there, I don't know if you can see it. Just pop your little tiny little something in there, screwdriver, and that will just fly out. And then get yourself a decent battery. We use these, or Duracell we use as well, and don't go cheap. Cheap car key batteries are the biggest problem we see. Okay, so there's your battery in there. Okay, writing up so you can read it. And lastly, this cover just clips back on. It's really quite easy actually. So there you go. So just pop it down. That will just clip shut, clip shut, clip shut, and there you go. So with a 4-button this time remote key for a Jeep Renegade, you're good to go.